Hello, everybody. Welcome to DC Chinese. My name is Connie. Is this your first time watching my video? You can watch some of my other videos on YouTube. Let's say by my name, C Connie on YouTube. Then you'll find all my other videos. And please also try to subscribe to my channel to receive notification if I upload a new video. Thank you for doing that. Abusuafo ma mo nyinaa kɔ aba ABC Chinese so mu nua baa C Connie ɛnie sɛ ɛno ne da a wohwɛ me video a sɛ wohwɛ video wei no wie a mede ka videos no bebree sɛdeɛ abere biara meyɛ no no wobɛkɔ akɔhwɛ saa videos no mede kan ayɛ no wohwɛ wei no wie a na wakɔ akɔbɔ me din no wɔ YouTube wobɔ mu search me din a C Connie me videos na mede kan no nyinaa bɛba na wakɔ akɔhwɛ na ayɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ deɛ ɛdi kan sua ho nsua bi no wonka akyire wobɛtumi akɔ akɔhwɛ no nso na ayɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ na wasan bɛka ho ne atoa so asua na mesrɛ sɛ wohwɛ video no so wie a mmɔden ne sɛnde kɔma w'adamfo bi click notification bell no so subscribe na click notification bell no so sɛde ɛbɛyɛ a abere biara no sɛ mede video foforɔ bɛto hɔ a ɔso nsa bɛka na watumi ahwɛ na yɛ nyinaa esua adeɛ na ayɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ sɛ wopɛ sɛ wobɛsua adeɛ wɔ China na sɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ business bi wɔ China wobɛtumi afrɛ ɛyɛ saa number a mebɛbobɔ yi 0086 187 353 937 12 0086 187 353 937 12 anaasɛ wobɛtumi ade me WhatsApp na nkɔmmɔ anaasɛ adwumasɛm anaasɛ schoolsɛm bi a yɛbɛtumi aka ho asɛm. And so guys, please try to subscribe and thank you for doing that. Okay, so today we are going to learn numbers in Chinese from 16 to 20. 16 to 20. Yɛdi kan sua numbers na from 1 to 15. Yɛdi kan sua bi nti sɛ woanhwɛ saa video no a wobɛtumi ahwɛ after this video wobɛtumi akɔ akɔhwɛ no na wakɔ akɔsua yɛ numbers in Chinese from 1 to 15 wobɛtumi akɔ akɔsua no nti ne sɛ ɛnnɛ yɛba abɛsua ɛyɛ numbers from 16 to 20. 16 to 20. So guys, please get your paper and your pen ready to write something down because after this I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to answer them. Okay, your pen or paper ready. We are not touching that. Yeah, to also me and start addition. And sana start no mpacho me subscribe na so subscribe on me so ne me I don't know on ya to man on so sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a abere mede video foforɔ bɛto hɔ nom a wo nsa bɛka na wo nso akɔ akɔhwɛ na ayɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ. So guys, please click on the subscribe and also click on notification bell to receive any updates. Thank you. So guys, let's begin. Okay. So today we are going to learn numbers in Chinese from 16 to 20. 16 to 20. So before we begin with the numbers, let's learn some characters. And some of the starting numbers, you can share characters to do and starting with numbers. Okay. So our first character here is, can you see? Okay. So please read after me. Ren, Ren, Ren. Okay, Ren. Okay, Ren means person or people. Person or people. Ren. Ren. Okay, Ren we need to say person and not say people. Like nipa, nipa. Nipa, nipa, you know. Like what is obi ka Ren we na ɔka asɛm a ɛyɛ wei bi a ɔpa kyerɛ sɛ like nipa nipa yeah Ren very good. So this is Ren in Chinese and it means person or people Ren. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We have the next one here to be okay. So our next character here is G. Means it's a measure word. Okay, it's used for let's say numbers or some other things. So G is a measure word. G. Okay, G in a measure word. Say be a opesa okay be a opesa okay say nipa anaasɛ nkurɔfo mefa sɛ nkurɔfo 5 wobɛtumi wobɛuse saa measure word wei no ansa na wode nipa no person anaa people no atoto nti sɛ mefa no sɛ wopɛ sɛ ɔka sɛ girl, then you add this ren, girl, ren. Okay, so it's a measure word. This girl is a measure word for numbers and some other things. Okay, so let's read for the last time. Girl, girl. Okay, very good. Let's move. So now let's begin with our numbers. Okay, so we are going to start from 16. 16 tiny. So now let's see. Okay. So this is 16 in Chinese. So please read after me. 16 16 16 Okay, 16 means 16. 16 16 16 means 16. 16. So if you hear someone saying 16 or 16 it means 16. 16 means in Chinese it's 16 Okay, 16 when it gets 16. 16. It's all 16. This is Chinese nipi. Oh, 16. Oh, it means it just say 16. 16. 16. 16. 16. 16. 16. Okay, now let's move on to 17. Okay, so we have our 17 here. Let's look how to say in Chinese. Okay, so we have this here. So this is 17 in Chinese. 17. Okay, so now let's read together. Please read after me, okay? 17 17 17 17 Okay, 17 17 Okay, 17 means 17. 17 in Chinese is 17. 17 means 17. Okay, 17 when it gets a 17, it's almost a characters too. When 17 in Chinese, no, 17 or Chinese in the and 17 means 17. 17 17. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We have the next one here to be. Okay, so the next one here is 18, right? Okay, 18 in Chinese. So this is 18 in Chinese. Okay, so now let's read after me. 18 18 18 Okay, so 18 means 18. 18. 18 means 18. 18. 18 when you say 18. 18. People characters to it. They say 18. 18 or Chinese no. 18. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's move on to this one. We have the next one here to be 19. Okay, so let's look at 19 in Chinese. Okay, so this is 19 in Chinese. Can you see? Okay, so please read after me. 19 in Chinese. Okay, so let's go. 19 19 Okay, 19 Okay, 19 means 19. 19. Okay, so maybe someone will be Chinese. The Chinese wants to buy something from you, and you hear him or her saying, "Oh, yeah, 19 的 19. If you hear 19, it means 19. 19. 十九十九 19 19 like I said 19 this say Bobika 19 19 and the other one I will be all 19 19 means 19 19 in Chinese 19 19. Okay, let's move on to the last character. Our last character here is 19 to what? Okay, so we have 20 here. This is 20 in Chinese. Do you see? 20 in Chinese. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, how to say 20 in Chinese. Okay, so read after me. 二十二十二十二十二十 Okay, 二十 means 20. 20. Okay, 二十 means 20. 二十 means 20. Okay, 二十 we need to say 20. You won't have characters we na equal to. No, it's not equal to. No. It's like this, but it's not equal to. Okay, so this is R. Someone also think, oh, this is plus. Oh no, it's 10. This is 10 in Chinese. This is 10 in Chinese, but when you combine these two together, it becomes 20. Okay, so these two they are 20. Okay, so R 十 R 十 R 十 means 20. So this is 20 in Chinese. 20 in Chinese is R 十 R 十. Okay, so we have learned of 十六. 十六 means 16. So this is 十 and in Chinese 十 then 6 六. Okay, so 十六 16. And we have also learned 17 to be 十七 十 like this 十七. Okay, the next one is 18 十八十八. Okay, and the next one is what? 19, right? 十九 19. We have the last one 20. 20. I have to say in Chinese. Okay, so this is 20. Okay, and sometimes they do something like this. Oh, okay. So now we are going to say, if you want to say, for example, 16 people. 16 people, how to say in Chinese. Okay, so we have already learned 16 16 16. Okay, and we have also learned the to be a measure word for numbers and like people and some other things. Okay, so we know 16 to be 16个 person or people 人. Okay, so if you want to say 16 people, 16 people, how to say in Chinese? Okay, so let's go. 16个人. Okay, so 16个人16个人 means 16 people. 16 people. 16个人16个人16个人 means 16 people. Okay, 16个人呢就say nipa 16. Maybe ubisa maybe amokohyia mokomiti anaasɛ mokɔ akɔyɛ bi ne bia obi tenetene bi ne waba abɛka na bia wopɛ sɛ obisa no sɛ bia nipa dodoɔ sɛn na bia yɛkɔyɛ meeting no na nipa dodoɔ sɛn na ɛba na bia wopɛ sɛ ɔka kyerɛ sɛ nipa no moyɛ 16 a wobɛka sɛ 16个人bisa anaasɛ sɛ wote sɛ obi ka 16个人a kyerɛ sɛ 16 people anaasɛ nipa 16. Okay, na sɛ bia ɛpɛ sɛ ɛka sɛ nipa 20 a nso ɛbɛka ne Chinese sɛ 20 people. How to say in Chinese? 20 people. How to say in Chinese? Okay, let's go. 20个 sorry个人 okay, so let's go one more time. 20个人 okay, so 20个人20个人 means 20 people 20 people 20个人 20 people 20个人 you can say 20 and I said 20 people 20个人 20 people. Okay, my last one okay. How about if you want to say 18 people 18 people, how to say in Chinese? I want someone to try. You can try. You can try. Okay, 18 people in Chinese. I'm listening. Can you say it? Yay! You got it right. Okay, so now let's read it together. Okay, how to say 18 people in Chinese? Okay, so we know 18 to be 18, 18. Then the measure word ge. Okay, and people. How to say people in Chinese? Please remember. 人 Yay! Okay, so let's go. 18个人 Very good. Okay, so 18个人 means 18 people. 18个人 means 18 people. Okay, so 18 people in Chinese. 18个人 Okay, so person can say 18 now we can say 18个人 18个人 Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching, and please try to subscribe and like this video and click on the notification bell to receive some updates after I have some videos. Okay, so please try to subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. 再见。